So we came to the session and to understand the basics of what we are doing. So there is a lot of there is still a lot of cluttered in the information that we are getting from the system. People are trying to skip the basics and they are trying to jump at the end, and because people are able to see the final UI before firsthand before building the entire system. So I would say sessions like these will try to help you understand how tokens, how systems are built from the basic scratch, the older coding ways, the how the stable systems are built. So it was a great session.
So you are generating embeddings for all the movies description over here, and you are converting the user's query also into vector embedding model. This model and this model, the model which was used to generate this and this, do they have to be the same? That whatever the user enters, you convert it to vector embedding. All the database is vectorized. You calculate this distance function for 100 or whatever, your entire database. And then you sort this list into an ascending or descending order depending on your application. Generally, you agree with this idea?
Yes.
LLM itself cannot execute any code on our machine. Neither it can do any API call. LLM can tell you basically our program. It's telling the agent what to do. An agent does it. And we saw it how it's working at the low level. So that means next is you need to decide what tools you need, which are basically just functions. So these are local functions. So far we are seeing local functions. When these functions become remote, we call them MCP.
So hi, this is Rajna. I'm a product manager at Planful, and I really enjoyed this workshop. First half, it was about the theoretical, theory knowledge, but it had really good simple explanation of each concept and the math behind it, which Deepak had covered. It really nice. So it's worth for someone to be part of this workshop. I'll highly recommend it, and it's just enough for someone to get started with their agentic journey. It would help you to set their own agent, the first agent basically.